Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video and it's kind of like well no, it is a Joann's haul. I saw Gina, who's Scrapadology here on YouTube. Hey Gina, I saw her show these ephemera boxes from Joann's and I just had to have it. I just don't know why, but I just had to have it. So let me show you the ones that I picked out. I think there's four. I think there's four boxes that you can get at Joann's. And I got it on sale and shipping was like $1.99 or $2.99 or something like that. And they put it in a big box and I'm like, gee whiz. So I got this one and look at the ephemera in it. It comes with, I think it says, contains chipboard, acetate, vellum, and cardstock ephemera. Look at that. Oh, I love this. I love this little scooter. So I was intrigued when I saw her video, and I'm just amazed of how, and I think these were on sale for $11.99. I mean, look at all the ephemera pieces you get for that much money, and it's full. It is full of stuff. I mean, look how big, how big it is. If you get it while they're shipping, I don't think these are in the stores themselves. I checked around my area and no one had them. And so I just went, okay, well, I'm just going to get them online because I think you can get all four of them. I don't even think, well, I don't even know if they have it on sale anymore. But when I saw her video, I went online and I purchased them. So I got this one. I also got this one. I don't even know if there's names. I want to say she said that this was the black and white. This one is like the black and white. And this one is the pastel. I don't know. It doesn't say on the box at all what the names are. I think this is the pastel. And then this is like the gold and the black and the white, which would be nice on wedding cards or anniversary cards, or, you know, I mean, this ephemera is good on anything. You know, you can put it on your 3D projects. You can put it on a journal. I mean, it's just so, you know, and you get a ton of stuff. So I got that one, and I know she had dumped some out and showed everybody what you get. And let me show you the back. This is all the things that you get. Some foiled, some vellum pieces. I mean, it is really, really cool. I'm like amazed. And of course it came from China, but what isn't? I mean, what isn't anymore? Which is so depressing. But I couldn't pass up this deal. And the last thing I got I think this is called the Jewel Tone one. And I, you know, these are the ephemera pieces that they show. So there's some animals. I mean, there is some foiling, some people, and, you know, cute. Life is a confirmation of magic and stardust. How cute. I love this. I love this pack. So I got this one, and I think there is a Brights one. Gina had shared. So, guys, look at this box of ephemera. Look how much you get. And, you know, I got it for $11, but it's like $20 regular price. And I couldn't help it. I couldn't help it. Oh my gosh, look at this. Cute. I'm loving it. I love these tags, these gold tags. And these vellum pieces are so pretty. Okay, and some I don't want to take them out because it's hard to put them back in. Here I am already having trouble. Look how cute that is. And here's some of the, you know, the cardstock ephemera. So these are really cute. And then here's an acetate. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. So thanks, Gina, for enabling me to go and buy this. I thought it was just cool, and oh my god, you get so much, and I just wanted to share it with everybody. So Joann's has these ephemera packs. I'm not sure if they're on sale. I think they were $19.99 regular price, but you get a ton of ephemera. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.